Welcome to the hcars.studio YouTube channel. "2025 The all-new GMC Hummer pickup truck. Over the course of the 2025 model year, it is anticipated that the all-electric monster that is the 2025 GMC Hummer EV pickup truck will acquire several technological advancements over the year. A occurrence of this kind is something that is expected to unfold. In spite of the fact that GMC has not yet provided any official information, the following is what we may reasonably anticipate based on rumors and reports from the industry. The exterior. It is predicted that the automobile will keep its boxy shape as well as all of its defining traits, such as the crab-walk driving mode and the roof panels that can be removed with ease. It is possible that the palette will be expanded to include other hues. This is a possibility. The interior. On the other hand, there is no official information that is currently available on the interiors. Nonetheless, it is not expected that there will be considerable alterations taken into consideration. There are a number of components that are included in the upgraded cabin that is featured in the current model. Some of these components include a digital instrument cluster that measures 12.3 inches, a touchscreen that measures 13.4 inches for the infotainment system, and seats that are both heated and ventilated. The performance. There are 3 electric motors that are incorporated into the electric car that is now being offered by Hummer. The combined output of these motors is capable of producing a total of 1,200 pound-feet of torque and 1,000 horsepower. The time it takes to go from 0 miles per hour to 60 miles per hour is around 3 seconds. There is a high probability that these values will remain unchanged for the vehicle model year in the year 2025, according to projections. There is a range of 329 miles between charges for the electric pickup truck version of the 2023 GMC Hummer when it is fully charged. Although it is possible that there may be some enhancements for the model year 2025, the official data for that year have not yet been made available. However, there is a possibility that there will be some upgrades. According to the most recent forecasts, the production of the 2025 GMC Hummer EV is anticipated to have started by the time June 2024 arrives on the scene. When it comes to the truck, it is reasonable to assume that GMC will offer official information about it closer to the time that it will be made available to the general public. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.